What's going on, AI pros? Michael here, and today we're going to be talking about the easiest way to make over $1,000 a day with AI and ChatGPT. Now, what I'm going to be doing is I'm actually going to be walking you through a step-by-step process that I'm using in my own company. I'm going to be giving you access to everything inside my community. You're going to get access to this full checklist right here that takes you through everything step-by-step with tutorial videos that you can see right here. You will get short form prompts that I'm using for when I create my short form content. This is going to be a list of 130 plus AI tools that you're able to get paid to promote. Done for you short form videos, so you can go ahead and plug and play, whether it be in CapCut or let me just show you what these look like real quick. Just simple 5-second videos, about 700 of them. Then you'll have access to 3 of my make.com scenarios that I use. And then you'll also have access to this library of just extra resources as well. So everything to get started with, you'll get access to today. Now, if you want me to keep you updated with all of this, just go ahead and comment down below that you're taking action, subscribe, and let's go ahead and dive into the video. So first thing you need to do is just go ahead and go to digitalplaybook.com, put in your first name, email, and then you will get taken to this screen right here. This is where the community is hosted. We have 857 people in here right now. And as you can see, this is where the digital playbook is hosted, a chat where people ask questions. This is where I go live, some free gifts, and then members only videos that I don't post on YouTube. So once you join this, you will get taken to or have access to the digital playbook. First thing is, if you ever get lost or not sure what to do, just go through the checklist. I call it a checklist because I give you the ability to boom, not done, done. But the first tool that you need to get is called Go High Level. Now, this tool allows you to create websites, collect email addresses, and just like it says right here, it's pretty much an all-in-one platform. So once you go ahead and sign up for the free trial, you're going to take into, this is what your account would look like. This is called a sub account. And then over here, the 3 main areas that we're going to be covering today are going to be sites, automations, and marketing. So let's go ahead and talk about sites. This is basically where your funnel is going to be. And a funnel is just going to be the opt-in page that I just showed you for digital playbook. So you actually have access to this funnel, and how you get access to this funnel is all you got to do. Next section in the checklist is going to be to import a snapshot. What a snapshot is it's basically taking everything that I have in my own account and giving you the ability to import into your own. So everything that you see in here, as far as all my funnels, all the automations, you are going to have access to. So let's just go ahead and take a look into the digital playbook checklist. You can see right here, boom. It is super simple. You'll see different opt-in pages where sometimes there's a video, but because of as much value that we're giving, really all you need is name and email. So if you have trouble setting everything up, there's tutorials right here that take you through step by step, or where is it? Right here, this will be the tutorial. And then you will need to go ahead and purchase a domain. Now, if you don't want to purchase it through Go High Level, I've purchased some from Squarespace and then GoDaddy as well. Both really cool places to get your domains. Now, once we have the funnel, you're gonna need to set up the automation. And what the automation is this is where you're going to be promoting your affiliate links. When someone uses your opt-in, this is going to be the email sequence that they're going to get put in. Now, for people just starting off, I suggest using the new email opt-in because it has, I want to say 60 emails already in here. Granted, these are towards promoting Go High Level, but all you need to do is just go in here, copy the email, and then just go into a tool like ChatGPT and tell it to rewrite it to whichever product or service that you're wanting to promote. So let's go ahead and go back to the checklist, and now we're going to look at the different AI tools. So the tools up here are the ones that I would suggest creating content about and getting an affiliate link. So Go High Level and Blotato are really cool tools. Make.com, this is probably more for advanced people of how you build different sequences. And then Xreacher, this is a tool that allows you to automate your X or Twitter outreach with, I still call it. So for example, if you are going to want to sign up for Blotato to become an affiliate, they make it really simple where you just click up here, affiliates. It takes you to the help page. and then you're going to hit join right here, and then they will give you an affiliate link. Now, let's say you want to go ahead and use Go High Level as an affiliate. Now, Go High Level, all you got to do is just scroll down to the very bottom, and boom, you'll see affiliate program, become an affiliate. Same thing, you want to click here, go ahead and create your affiliate account, and then it will give you a link that looks like this. Or here you go, affiliate link right here. Boom, just something short and sweet, and that is what you're going to be sending people in the emails. So if you can see, let's go back to the email sequences. If you can see right here, all these right here link out to whichever affiliate that I am promoting. Now what I'm talking about right here is just the things that we need to set up before we start generating traffic. So we have, let me just go hit back here. We've talked about the front end, which is going to be our site. Then we talked about the back end, which is the email automations. And now the most important thing is going to be the content creation and then scheduling it out. So if you can see here, this is going to be the social planner. This is where you're able to schedule out your content days, weeks in advance. Now, you don't need any of these things to get started. You can do everything manually. But if you're trying to take this seriously and make some money, you're going to need to invest a little bit of time and some resources to get started. But like I said, Go High Level does have a 14-day free trial. So hopefully you can see results before you have to pay. So I have some stuff already scheduled out, as you can see, but I want to show you how I'm able to create some of the short form content. Now, normally I would have told you to go through CapCut, take these videos, put them together, but I found this tool called Blotato that allows you to do this, or has a lot of the things integrated so you don't have to do that second step. Now, once you sign up, you can sign up for free. There's a bunch of other really cool things in here, like you're allowed to create prompts for the other social medias like TikTok, LinkedIn, Twitter, if you need help creating posts. They actually have a social planner in here as well. And then videos is the main part, which I am going to be talking about real quickly. So what I normally do is I just go into my prompts and I'll just take one of these prompts and then put it in here. But let's say you're in a different section of the AI niche. Maybe you want to do a little bit more storytelling. You want to have like a faceless AI channel. You can just kind of give it a story topic, just like, I don't know, traveling the world. Obviously you can have a little bit more fun facts, and then generate script. And what's it going to do? It is going to generate a script for you. Boom, right here. Now choose a theme. All these themes you can choose, doesn't matter. Let's just go with right here. These already have the 11 lab voices integrated in here. We're going to go with Charlie. I normally just keep these where they're at. We're going to disable the watermark, enable captions, put it at the bottom, and then generate video. So one of the really cool things is it generates really, really quickly. But I'm still going to go ahead and cut it to when it is done generating. And now it is done generating. You can see that the text to image prompts to use are already made. It's got 7 different scenes. And now all we got to do is hit generate. And now I'm going to cut back to when all these are finished generating. And these are done. So let's go ahead and hit export and just have these exporting the shot. Now we're going to just watch a couple seconds of the final product.
Did you know traveling can actually make you happier? Explorers often return with amazing stories and new friendships.
So you can see how that is really good for the amount of time and effort put into this. Obviously you can tweak the script, make it how you want it, edit the pictures, but I'm just doing this really quick to show you how to generate all of this. So what you do next is you would just download that. And then if you're using Go High Level, we would just come back here to the social planner. Obviously you would need to connect your different social media accounts. Then let's say you need to make a post for here, you would just click right here, pick the social media accounts you want. And then this is the symbol for videos. you would hit upload, and then wherever you saved your saved the video on your computer, you would upload that here. You would click boom, and then it would upload into here. Write a caption, doesn't matter, just pick whatever you want, and then you can upload it. I'm not going to go over this part too much because it's pretty self-explanatory, but the whole point after that is just to automate and repeat. So just keep repeating, creating content and generating traffic so you can get people to click on your affiliate link. So if you get stuck with anything during the process, just refer back to the checklist. I show you how to set up the social media scheduler. I've talked about this on my channel and other videos, how I use my AI clone. If you see a lot of my short form, I use a video of my AI clone. It shows you how to set up everything up right here. And then if you want to get access to the digital playbook, just join the community digital playbook right here, and you'll be able to have access to everything. So that's it for this video, AI pros, and I will see you in the next one.